Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Tom. Mom, are you okay?
I feel a little sick.
What's wrong?
Mom, what happened? My head hurts.
You look very tired.
Yes, I feel weak.
Maybe we should go to the hospital.
That is a good idea.
Mom, be careful. Thank you, Anna.
Let's go now.
Okay, Dad. Mom, we will help you. Thank you, Tom.
Please sit here.
Okay.
Mom, do you feel bad?
A little.
Are we going to the hospital?
Yes, Tom. We are here.
Good.
This hospital is big.
Yes, it is. Hello, my wife is sick.
Please wait here.
Mom, the doctor will help you. I hope so. Where is the doctor?
The doctor will come soon.
Hello?
Hello, doctor.
Who is sick?
My wife.
Please come with me.
Okay.
Please sit here. Thank you. How do you feel? I feel very weak. Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a fever.
Oh no.
Do not worry. It is not serious. Please breathe slowly. You need medicine.
I understand.
Buy this medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
Your mom needs rest.
Okay, doctor. Mom, are you okay?
I feel a little dizzy.
Hello, I need this medicine.
Okay. Here is the medicine.
Thank you.
Is this for Mom?
Yes, Tom.
Mom, you will be better.
I hope so.
Let's go home.
Yes.
Mom, sit here.
Thank you.
There you go.
Mom, please take medicine.
I will soon.
Dad, will Mom be okay?
Yes, she will. We are home.
Good.
Mom, be careful.
Thank you. Please take your medicine.
Thank you.
Mom, how do you feel?
I feel a little better.
Mom, here is water.
Thank you, Anna.
Dad, what are you cooking?
Soup for Mom.
I want to help.
Good job, Tom.
Mom, please rest.
Thank you, dear.
Here is your soup.
It smells nice.
Is it good?
Yes, very good.
Mom needs sleep.
Yes, let her rest.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning.
I feel better today.
That is great.
You should rest.
I feel stronger now.
Mom is better.
I must finish my medicine.
That is good.
Thank you for helping me.
We love you.
I love you too.
The air is nice.
Yes, very nice.
Mom, look!
Good kick.
These are for you.
Beautiful flowers.
Our family is strong.
Yes. We are happy you are better. I am happy too.
Family is important.
Family helps each other.
We love our family.
Mom, are you tired?
A little, but I feel good.
We are happy you are better. Thank you, Anna.
Dad, can I help?
Of course.
Good job, Tom. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. They are very kind.
Yes, they are.
Anna, catch the ball. I got it.
Great!
Are you okay?
Yes, I feel stronger.
Mom is walking.
That is great! Thank you for helping me.
We are family. Mom, are you still sick?
No, I feel good now.
Mom, stay warm.
Thank you.
I will make tea.
Good idea.
Tea for everyone.
Thank you.
This tea is nice.
Yes, it is. This cartoon is funny. Yes.
I feel very good now.
That is wonderful. We love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Our family is happy.
Yes.
Here, Mom.
Thank you for caring for me.
Always. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Mom looks strong.
I feel strong.
Juice for everyone.
Thank you.
Breakfast is delicious. I am happy. Time for school.
Yes. Bye, Mom. Bye, Tom. Mom is better now.
Yes.
They are good kids.
Yes. Thank you for helping me.
Always.
I feel lucky.
Our family is strong.
Mom, can I read too?
Of course, Tom.
Look, Mom, I drew a flower.
That is beautiful.
Thank you, Dad.
You are welcome, Tom.
You two are very good kids.
Thank you, Mom.
This will help you feel stronger.
I appreciate it.
Yum! This is tasty.
It sure is.
Yes.
I'm so glad you're enjoying it. I feel good taking medicine.
That's nice, Mom. Catch the ball, Tom. I will. Yay! Great catch.
You two are fun.
Thanks, Mom.
The flowers are beautiful.
Yes, so nice.
I will water this plant.
And I will pick some flowers.
They are very kind.
Yes, they are helpful.
Anna, let's race!
Okay! This is fun! Yes!
Are you okay, Mom?
Yes, I feel strong. Thank you for helping me.
Always, my dear.
This story is nice.
Yes, it is very nice.
I like the animals. Look, Mom, I drew a sun.
It is beautiful.
There, all done.
Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome, buddy.
We love you, Mom.
I love you too.
Catch me, Tom. I will.
They are full of energy.
Yes, happy kids.
These are for you, Mom.
Thank you, dear.
It is a calm day.
Yes, very peaceful.
Look, Mom.
Wow, that is nice. See, it goes super fast.
It sure does. I am happy we are together. Me too.
Family is very important.
Yes,
I love our family.
me too. Thank you for everything.
We love you. Family is very important.
Family takes care of each other.
We love our family. Yes, we do.